In this video, I'm going to show you how to add fall damage to your game. We'll need some variables. One boolean, which determines if we should take fall damage. One vector to store our location in. And one multiplier, so that will be a float. We're going to get a character movement and we're going to check if we are actually in the air. Determine our flow. So from the branch, we're going to create two more branches and connect them by checking if a character is not falling and should take fall damage is true. This will mean we will only trigger this once, and when it's true, we will set it to false. And when it's false, we will set it to true when we're in the air. So when we are in the air, the first time we'll execute this, we'll set our last location. And that's all we have to do for the falling. We're just going to print out that we are indeed in the air. And on landing, we're just going to print out we are landed. Let's try it out. Falling. And there we landed. Then we're going to compare our z value of the location we stored when we were in the air and our current location when we have landed again. And we're going to clamp it so that we don't get a negative value out of this, because fall damage should always be a positive value. And we'll multiply it by our fall damage multiplier and print out that value. It's 0 now because we have missed the multiplier. And this value you can plug into anything